Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to mark an Excel file as final in just a few clicks. If this video helps, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. First, open the Excel file you want to finalize. Make sure everything looks good, because this step will let others know the file is ready and discourage further edits. Next, click on the File tab in the top left corner. Under the Info section, you'll see a button labeled Protect Workbook. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Mark as Final. You'll see a confirmation message. Click OK. And Excel will now mark the file as final. A yellow banner will appear at the top, letting you know it's read only. This lets others know the document is complete. But remember, marking as final doesn't lock it permanently. People can still edit if they click Edit anyway. And that's it. Quick and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.